she's not really racist. She's just scared of black people. That makes sense?
That's racist.
She doesn't like go out saying racist things.
But why is she scared of
or skin color?
How do you feel about George Floyd's death?
Hey, can I see y'all titties? Bless me, man. I'm 14. Bless me, man. Bless me with some titties, man. Bless me, man. God bless me, man. Fucking bless me with some titties, man. You don't.
The parents probably have no idea.
Hi.
Hey, I heard like ain't too hard.
How does a friend? Had time. How does a friend? Okay.
What do you think? How about this? What do you think a white person could do to help black lives?
I feel like if you're not a racist, you could. I'm sure white people are encounter racists. Like, you probably know a racist person or hear racist comments from your white friends or family. I feel like a start could be speaking up against racism, like actually informing.
My parents are just scared of a culture they don't understand. Like, my mom, she's not really racist. She's just scared of black people. That makes sense?
That's racist.
She doesn't like go out saying racist things.
But why is she scared of
or skin color?
Because I'm from Pompano Beach, Florida, where Kodak Black's from, and it's pretty scary. Like, literally, you have 50 black dudes at the fucking corner store. You got a black dude standing by every street corner like he's guarding the neighborhood.
Yeah.
But that's not all who. They don't represent all black people.
My mom's culturalized in a weird way.
Yeah, but
we're good.
you seem like a smart person, so I'm saying there's in every
humanity is stupid.
right, but in every culture and in every race, there's different types of people. Where there's not one particular person or a group that represents everybody in a race. So if your mom is afraid of black people, that's racist because she's using the representation of probably somebody that does stuff that's illegal to generalize that the entire race is as such. So that's actually racist. So what you could do specifically, since your mom is racist, is to actually inform her
and educate her
and teach her. You could actually probably get some history.
I've sacrificed my freedom to do that.
Okay, could you elaborate?
I spent 2 years in a boot camp for telling my mom I tried weed. And in that boot camp, I was with Tentacion for 2 years straight. And I told her that I was in a program with people that had worse lifestyles than me, with parents that did real drugs. And they were still loving people, kind people.
Yeah. Okay, so what I would want to impress on you before I leave is to separate drugs from black issues, as in maybe drugs is a factor for every type of people,
not just black people.
But we want the issues that we have.
Black businesses, they're helping black businesses, right?
Who?
The government.
Oh, they are?
You didn't hear about that?
No.
Tell us.
They're secluding, helping only black businesses, which in my definition is racist, because all small businesses are being destroyed and only black businesses are being supported.
Okay. And is this a permanent thing, or is this because black?
It's not, but that's why I completely, because I know black people are responsible. Anybody can be responsible and logical and have a heart, and black people are the most indigenous, so they're gonna have the most heart. See what I'm saying? Like, my mom's Cuban, so that's my indigenous bloodline. My mom comes from Spain, but she's programmed. She's programmed by the Santa Claus culture of having stuff makes you powerful, and people that don't have stuff, they probably made bad choices. just stupid. Like, oh, look at me, green eyes and greedy, telling all my homies, dog, you don't want to be me. Not that power.
Okay.
Not that power.
All right. Have a good night. Oh my god.
What did I just listen to? How do you feel about George Floyd's death?
Feel bad for him.
Yeah. What do you think people should be doing?
What?
What do you think we could do to help change the situation?
Not talk to 9-year-olds.
What? Did he just cry about it?
They had some good points. The young
Yeah.
generation is where. Hi. Hello.
How are you?
Add as a friend.
I got you.
Awesome. We wanted to ask you a couple questions.
Okay.
How did you feel about George Floyd's death?
I mean, like, in terms of, like, the Black Lives Matter movement, like, you know, I can see, you know, where all the hatred for cops and all of that stuff comes in. But, like, me personally, like, I don't know, I guess it's just having to do with my character. I kind of, like, avoid tragedy. I know it's bad, but that's kind of, I just kind of hide from that stuff. So, like, I don't really come to face it often. So, like, people don't ask me, like, this kind of stuff all the time. But, like, prime example, like, I kind of hide from politics. Like,
Yeah.
Okay.
you know, I don't really know what's going on. I mean, like, I know what's going on. I know of it, but, like, I'm not always so into it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But do you think it would be helpful if you become into it, saying that you're a black person?
I mean, yes, it would definitely be helpful. Yeah. I mean,
Okay. Why do you
honestly,
hide from it? Does it make you emotional? Like, why do you try to, like, avoid it,
Yeah.
even though it's very
So-
obvious?
That's a good question. So, like, I don't know. It's just always how I've been. Like, you know, fight or flight response. I don't like to fight. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really like to go straight to violence, especially, like, I'm figurative violence, of course. Like, I wouldn't throw a punch at anybody. But, like, it's just a way about me. Like, I just don't like facing certain, like, adversities if I don't have to, you know? Like, I'd rather, if I had a choice to face it or not face it, I would choose not face it.
Yeah, but we've seen multiple times where people have chosen not to face it, but it faced them, and then they just kind of was confronted with it.
So, I can put it this way. So, like, I definitely see where you're coming from. Obviously, if I'm not prepared to fight it, I wouldn't, you know, be able to fight it well. But, like, there is, like, for me, like, though I'm away from the problem, right? I can study from afar and, like, kind of, I guess, get a better idea, even though I'm not first-hand experienced.
Yeah.
So the way that I go about things is more logical. Like, I know obviously logic doesn't always have a role to play in that situation, especially because you don't know who the officer is, or
Yeah.
you don't know what they're thinking, or who they have hatred for, or anything like that.
Yeah.
Right.
And that's all up to chance and fate and, you know, everything else. But as far as I'm concerned, if I get into any one of those circumstances, I'm just going to try to comply and, you know, do what I have to do in order to survive another day.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's
That's
a good
the
way.
smart, yeah, the smartest
thing
way.
to do,
Yeah.
and that may not, unfortunately, that may not be enough, like even just doing everything perfectly right, but I guess it's just to stay positive and hope that you're not
a statistic.
yeah.
Honestly, for me, I guess it's more of like what's traditional. I mean, me personally,
Yeah.
I don't really like change. For example, today, right, I used to have an afro. I don't know if you guys saw my profile picture, but I have twists right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the twists. They're nice, but, you know, I went into the barbershop today, and I wanted a haircut, right? And I asked for something specific. So, you know, I had like a full head of hair. Like, I'm talking like a year and a half growth, right?
Yeah.
That's a long time. So I get in there, I'm expecting he's going to take care of it and everything's going well, right? Within the first 2 seconds of me sitting in that chair, half of my hair on the back of my head was gone.
Oh.
And I got home looking like I was in the 80s with a high top fade. It absolutely killed me. I was so upset. But then, you know, my sister came and rescued all of it, and now it's fine. But anyway, point being, I hated it. I was like, this sucks. Change? Why? Why would I change?
if I don't need to change. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, like, I would rather avoid change if I don't have to change. Like, if what I'm doing is working, then why change? You know what I'm saying? And if, like, someone had been buying a brand for who knows how long, right? And then they realize that, you know, maybe there's, or you know, like you said, right? We're not supporting our own people, right?
Right.
Maybe it's just been a white person's brand all along. As you know, a majority of the businesses before black people came up, or at least big businesses, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, established one.
Exactly. We started off small
Yeah.
and ended up growing, right? So as for generational like growth in terms of like, you know, how many clients they get or anything like that, that all depends on our generation.
Yeah.
And further, right? Because everyone else, you know, like my parents or your parents could have been on the main business in the first place, you know? And they were like, this works for us, so why would we get off of this? You know what I'm saying?
But maybe we didn't even recognize what was happening. Like the fact that, because sometimes we have behaviors and we repeat behaviors and we idolize stuff, but we don't even realize what exactly we're doing.
Right.
Like even when we're supporting. Yeah, so it's to become conscious, like, okay, if we're idolizing and supporting a certain race or a certain type of business for generations upon generations, and we recognize now that this is not good. Like, this is not good to keep pushing money into people who already are rich and established, taking it out of our communities, because black people is the only group of people that tend to do that. Like, we support we help them to become more rich even though they're already privileged.
Right.
Yeah.
So we just have, I feel like we just have to start becoming conscious
right.
of what we're doing, because we're programmed, like we don't even realize what we're doing. We just kind of do it. So it's just the consciousness to be like, okay, they're already privileged and we're still supporting them or idolizing these brands and these cars and everything. But you made a point that those businesses are already established and we tend to...
Oh, I can't hear you. You're muted right now.
Oh, yeah. Can you hear?
Yeah, there you go. You're good now.
Yeah. I was saying that you made a good point to say that they already have established business that we would probably just keep using because it works. But I guess we just kind of have to become uncomfortable and probably support a smaller business or a business that's not matured until we get there.
Because that's how we as the black community will reach to establishment, I guess, to become big and to become leaders. To become leaders in society.
To become...
The way to catch up is with a chance. If you don't have a chance and no opportunity, you have nothing, you know? I completely get it, you know, but I obviously, you know,
support.
I'm only 18, so there's not much I can do.
Well, there is. It's your generation that will grow and actually start change, you know? So stay woke.
Most definitely. I'm ready to make change in the world anyway.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. We have some questions for you.
What's the questions?
How do you feel about George Floyd's death?
Let's be really honest. I don't know.
You don't know how you feel?
You said like a president or something?
What? George Floyd?
President or something.
Oh, wow. You're clueless.
I guess you didn't. Have you watched the video with the police that killed George?
Oh, no. Hello? Say it. What you talking about?
You gotta add as a friend.
Look, they're attorney. They like me. How are you?
I'm good. We wanted to ask you a few questions. As a white man, what do you feel that you guys can do? As a white man, what do you feel that you could do to help bring forth change that you would like to see?
How I think you can stop racism. My daughter's half black. You know, she's mixed.
Yeah.
I think appropriate. That was a joke. But no, as a white man, I don't know.
Okay, what I could say in response to that, there's other things that you could do. I heard that you said procreate, and you might not be joking, and that's fine.
No, I'm not
Yeah.
Like I said, my daughter's mixed.
Yeah.
My daughter's mixed.
So you could relate to the issues that she might face being a black girl.
Yeah, I talked to my daughter yesterday. My daughter's she's gonna be 10.
But what I think you could do as a white man,
Let me know. Let me know.
let you know. Yeah, I think one thing that you could do is to speak up when you hear racist, because I'm sure being white, you would probably encounter people making racist comments or doing things that you know is wrong, and I tend to think a lot.
I catch myself. You know what I mean?
You should catch them too.
Yes.
Yeah, other people that are not as woke as you.
You could also use your privilege, quote unquote privilege, to help to bring awareness.
I don't have the privilege. I'm incarcerated right now.
Are you?
Yeah, we're in a halfway house. I just did 2.5 years, so.
Oh, okay. Well, you're gonna.
I hear what you're saying.
But it was nice talking to you.
Yes.
And when you get out, I'm hoping that you will
stay on the right path,
and try to help. And,
thank you.
And try to help us.
Be good.
All right.
Keep spreading peace and love, for real.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good night. Okay, guys, so we came to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something or seen that so much people have different opinions and different experiences.
Yeah, and that they're real issues. Like, this is a real issue that we need to become educated about. A lot of people are not actually educated at all.
A lot of people don't even know how to feel or have any opinions, and that's concerning because
a lot of our younger generation too, and that's frightening because they're the ones that are coming after us.
So comment down below, let us know what you thought about this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And let us know what you guys would want to see next, if you want us to do a video like this again, and what we should be doing. And we really appreciate you guys. We love y'all. Bye.